Good evening from a low light London, LLL. Right, is it a bit too low light though? Can you see me? Because I can't tell because the preview is quite compressed. Just in case you can't, I have prepared myself and bought my mini light. So let's turn that on. Oh, so that was a bit too bright. Let's put these on. There you go, that's much better. Look at that. Now you can see me and I can see you. Right. Is the X4 the best in low light? No. Is it the worst in low light? No. Is it better than the X3 in low light? Slightly. Is it annoying that Insta360 didn't include the new low light mode, pure video mode, which is on the Ace Pro on the X4? Yes, it is very annoying. Shall I shut up? Shall we just get out so you can see some test shots in low light? Yes, please. But before we do, let me just break something down. So you're probably going to be wondering why most of the video is shot in 5.7K. That's because it recommends when shooting in low light environments, and when I say it as in the X4 gives you a message when it detects its low light saying you must shoot in not must, but recommended. It's recommended to shoot in 5.7K in low light situations because when you shoot in 8K it is a little bit noisy. Now of course I'm going to do some side-by-side bits so you can see the difference, but most of the video we're going to focus in on 5.7K. There is a 5.7K plus, which I don't know what the hell that is. It doesn't even recommend shooting that in low light, so we'll leave that to one side. But yeah, like any camera, there's auto mode, manual mode, which we'll obviously switch between. There's low light image stabilization, which you can turn on or off, which again we'll switch between. And yeah, I'll whack it in single lens mode, which is obviously maxed out at 4K as well, so you can see how it looks in that. So I think that covers everything, so let me shut up and let's go and get on with the show. Ah, that rhymes. Oh, probably should take these off first. And turn this off.